Hi friends, I hope you all are doing well. So in one of my previous video, I have discussed about we are having a table which is having data like student name, subject and marks, and we have to convert the same into this format by student name, maths, English, Hindi by using some Oracle query. If some of you haven't watched that video, you can go and see the same. Now, suppose I have to implement the same, I have to, this is my input and this is my output, okay? And if I have to achieve the same with the help of Informatica, IICS, how can we achieve the same? Okay, so let us go to that part. So what we can do, first of all, this is my source qualifier. Okay, in the source qualifier, as I have already told in in many of my previous videos, we have to first create the connection, and from the connection I have to select my table. So in my source I am having table like student details, okay, which is having data like this one. Okay, now if I go and see my target, in my target, like I have selected that table like student load, okay, which is having columns like student, student name, subject name, and student name, maths, English and Hindi. Okay, now how can we achieve this thing? So simply what you need to do, first of all we have to create the connection with my source database. After that we have to use sorted transformation. Okay, inside the sorted transformation we have just sorted by ascending on the basis of student name and subject name. Okay, and after that we have to use aggregator. Okay, so aggregator is similar to like in Oracle we are just using max or decode all these things for aggregating the things. So similarly, what we have used here, we have used here aggregate function. So for aggregating, what first of all we have to do aggregate. Okay, if you see it here, in aggregation we have to use max of decode. Let me show you max of like decode of whenever my column name subject will come for when subject is maths, so I have to pick the value from for marks. Okay, and its max value. Okay, similarly we have to do the same things for all the three subjects. Okay, I hope, and after that what you need to, we need to use some group by clause, group by my student name. Okay, and similarly then we have to go to my target. In my target, what we need to map, we need to map between student name, maths, in English, whatever these are this is my target fields. Now I have to go to my field mapping. In my field mapping, as we have already selected the automatic, if you haven't selected automatic, you can go and manually you can map your student name with student name, and for remaining subject, whatever we have used in expressions, we have to use the same. Okay, but make sure whenever you are using your aggregated transformation, you have to group by only on the basis of student name. Okay, and you have to use aggregate, and inside the aggregate you can use decode and then max value. Okay, and once you run this mapping, so what you can do, you can achieve our expected result. So it might take some time to get executed. Let me see if it is getting executed. Let me try to rerun. It's still getting executed. Yeah, if you see, two rows has been processed from here. Okay, see, six rows has been selected from my source, and out of that two rows has been loaded into my target. Okay, this is the result which we are expected to receive. There might be some other ways to achieve the same result. Okay, you can go and just try to explore, but if you're not trying if you're not able to explore any other way, you can go with this way. So that's all from this video. Thank you.